the only person here with this. Genius, dude.
That's her.
Oh, you suggested it? It's a good idea.
Christmas gift.
It's a really good idea. It's a nice gift. This is the only person here with this. Genius, dude.
That's her.
Oh, you suggested it? It's a good idea.
Christmas gift.
It's a really good idea. It's a nice gift. Genius. Because everybody uses tents, but really that works right there. Plus a tent, everything. And you can move it, yeah. And you can find wherever the sun's shining at you, yeah.
Starts coming in and out, that's why.
Okay. So what all is in here, equipment and all of that for the video?
So I've got 8 Sundown X15s in the back, wired to Quarter Ohm on 2 Sundown SCV6Ks. I just custom built a 196 amp hour Kokum LTO Bank, and it's being charged or maintained by my Singer 370 amp alternator.
Okay. So a lot of lithium on that.
Quite a bit of lithium.
Yep. Okay. Have you metered it?
With a sub that I just reconed, I did a 158.3 this morning at 40 hertz.
Really?
47. Sorry.
Wow. Okay. Man.
Turn it up for you.
Are you happy with it?
I am very happy with it.
Okay.
Very happy with it. I've
Awesome.
been playing with it for a long time.
Okay. So you got pretty much where you want it.
I'd like to
Almost.
see a 60 out of it, but money's money, you know.
Yes, sir. That's right. Oh, yeah, that's right.
It's a good fight, good fight.
appreciate that, man.
Absolutely.
Holy smokes, man.
I'll do one you probably haven't heard today.
Okay. Yeah, it's crazy. So how low does it play, like frequency-wise?
I'm about to show you that.
Really? Oh, you about to play lows?
Yeah, 15 hertz.
15.
It registers it, but it's not crazy.
It doesn't? Okay. Yeah, as long as you have tone control.
Yeah.
I see what you're saying. It picks it up, but even though it's playing it though, you know what I mean? As long as you have your tone control.
It's not violent, but it does do it.
Yeah, I appreciate it, man.
Absolutely.
Thank you for showing me that.
Absolutely.
What was your name?
Phil.
Phil, Jacob, okay.
Sir.
Yes, sir. Have a good day, man. I appreciate it. Impressive.
Thank you.
Good luck on the road to 160s.
Thank you.
going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.